Today, in less than 60-second series, we are doing a very important rule of spotting error. So, rule says, अगर कोई भी subject या multiple subject, neither nor, either or या not only but also इन तीन phrases से connect होगा तो जो verb है वो nearest subject के according आएगी. Now let's solve some questions. So neither the manager nor his employees. Now you can see neither or nor से दो subject connected हैं. One is the manager and the other is his employees. You can see कि जो main verb aware है उससे nearest manager ना होकर employees है and which is plural. Hence the verb will also be plural. Next up we have not only the students but also the teacher was enjoying the party. Now you can see not only और but also से पहला subject the students which is plural और दूसरा subject the teacher which is singular is connected. तो यहाँ पे basically जो verb आएगी वो nearest subject के according आएगी और nearest subject क्योंकि singular है इसीलिए verb भी कैसी होगी singular. And the last sentence is either the chocolates or the candy is expensive. Now again, either or से दो subject connected हैं. The first subject is chocolates and the second is candy. And the nearest subject is candy which is singular. Hence the verb will also be singular. So thank you so much. Jai Hind.